The National Examination Council NECO, where Oga Ibiahum Iren, the Zonal Director for South-South lead, along with Madam Omozele Agbebaku, the wife of the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, don come pay one courtesy visit to the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. Our Tory person in Yobosa Igodalo Yan say the Speaker, Right Honourable Blessing Agbebaku, talk say the Edo State House of Assembly and Governor Monday Okpegolo go continue to support every underprivileged pikin wey no fit pay the NECO registration fees. For a address, Right Honourable Blessing Agbebaku cultural salute to the team for the work wey dem dey do to make sure say the students for the state get opportunity to sit for NECO exam. E come talk say im na part of NECO family sake of say im wife sef dey work for NECO. The Speaker come talk say education dey very important to am, and without education im no for reach the position where im dey.
I want to say thank you for coming to thank me because coming to thank me means I should do more. That will motivate me to do more. In Benin language, I know you know here. It says "Okponese," you know. That will not motivate me to do more. I will say I am part of NECO's family.
Yes.
By extension, because my wife is a senior officer in NECO.
Yes.
So anything that will make the place grow, I must make sure I push it, because as the organization is growing, my wife is also growing. Apart from that, I also love education, because if not for education, I think where I'm sitting here today, I will not be here. It's because I've been able to pass through the primary school, the secondary school, and the university. That's why I'm sitting down here today. Even if I didn't write NECO when I was in school, but I wrote to WIC. So they are in the same pedestrian. So I want to thank you for coming. Yes, let me say, let me use the word catalyst positively to other members, because I have started it. My members who are also very sharp, they are also emulating. And this year, I will make them to also do more. We don't only enroll NECO for, it is not only NECO.
Yes.
I just finished in my constituency 300 JAM forms, free. So they are doing biometrics now.
Oh.
Yeah, even WIC, we do WIC too. So I think I'm able to lay that foundation. I think my members, they are also following suit.
Okay.
It is good to make sure that you bring your constituents who are ready to go to school on board. You encourage them, you motivate them. Because as I told, like I told the students that I provided JAM forms for, I went home to declare the biometrics open. I told them that it's not just buying you the JAM form.
Yes.
It's about you getting the JAM form, going back to the drawing table to go and read.
Yes.
Because there's no more, what's it called?
Miracle Center.
It's for anybody. Go and read and pass. It's when you read and pass that you motivate me to do more for others coming. If I enroll JAM form for about 300 people, and at the end, about 50 passed, you're not encouraging me.
No.
So you will not encourage me to do more for the other coming ones. So I advise them. That is how we also advise those that also enroll NECO for 2 this year. We'll resume. My members would have been here. They were just sitting till Monday.
Okay.
So most of them they've traveled. So by Monday, when we are in our station, also encourage them that NECO has started. They should make sure at least 100 forms from each member. That will not cost more than 1.5 million. Please, they should try. We are 24 in numbers here. Me, I will do more. I also encourage those who are not here, whom I know that they are capable of also doing, that we're able to provide such forms for our children. Also encourage them. Like last time, I encouraged the gubernatorial candidate for PDP, Aswan Udaro. I think he also did a lot. Also see that we can also encourage you to also do. And since you've gone to see the governor, I also see him too. Okay. To say he should also put some money aside to also assist those who cannot purchase phone for their children. And I want to also let you know that when you take a critical analysis or survey of those people, those parents that cannot buy phone for their children, you will see that those children are the most brilliant.
Yes, I agree with you, sir.
Brilliant children. So that's why we have come out to say, okay, those kind of children should also help them, so that at the end we will not be having guilty conscience to say if we have helped this, we have gone far.
Oga Irem, wey represent NECO for im part, come here and say the reason for the visit na to thank the speaker for the support wey he don show to NECO and the way dey help the pikins dem wey no fit pay for NECO registration. E come talk say many students wey no fit afford the NECO registration fees don benefit from the speaker's help. Oga Irem come also here and say dem also come beg the speaker to continue to support the upcoming NECO enrollment and say make the speaker also talk to im fellow executive members make dem for contribute towards the registration fees to help the pikins dem for Edo State wey no get money.
Today is very, very important. Today is Ash Wednesday. Today is a serious day of obligation in the Catholic Church. And incidentally, we are here to pay courtesy call to our Honorable Speaker. Can I say, I'm very, very lucky to meet one-on-one with the Honorable Speaker. They say Speaker or Speakers.
Yeah.
My name is Sir Obiawiren. I'm a Knight of St. John International, the Catholic Church. I'm the Zonal Director, NECO. And incidentally, these my colleagues, we've been working in different levels. And they've been reporting to the registrar of what you've been doing for the council. And he said we should come and say thank you. Because in my own background, they say when you tell the woman who prepares better porridge, thank you. When he prepares another one, he will remember you. Now we are moving towards the registration, the peak of the registration, and we have a record of what you did previously. And that's the reason why Mbappe is a striker. And when a serious game is coming up, you remember to field him. Now our speaker is one of the strikers. And now that the registration is coming, we need to remember him to come and say, thank you, sir, for the previous one that you did. And believing that this time around, he will score more goals.
Yes.
So, Edo is a special place. Special place in the sense that in registration, they are, in the South-South, they are at the forefront. And that's the reason why we had to come, we had to meet the governor to tell him of things that are coming up. And we are now saying that everything now is going to be year exam. And for Edo State not to be left behind, so that Edo State will key in. And we know, we have a record by you, Mr. Speaker, that you created a veritable ground last time. You fielded candidates in all realms of our examinations, and we believe that this time around, more will come. So thank you, sir. We've come to thank you and to pass the same message to our chief executive, that we were able to meet with the Honorable Speaker and we pass the same message that our registrar, Professor Dantani Wushishi, is saying thank you for the past and we're expecting you more.
Make una not forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.